Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at isang maligayang unang Biyernes ng buwan ng Oktubre. If you will try to notice one single and maybe an overall scene in today's readings, I hope you were able to get that catch or see that God has been speaking a lot. Our readings were not the usual narrative or conversational in structure that would have at least 2 or 3 or more characters. Pero sa araw pong ito, tila pinapatikom muna ng Diyos ang mga bibig natin para siya naman ang magsalita sa araw na ito. After series of his pagrereklamo, of Job opening up his bad experiences since Monday up until yesterday, Job was reduced to silence after all his sufferings. Jesus reprimanded the land of Chorazin and Bethsaida and Capernaum. They were asked to shut up, not because they are too noisy or wild, but because they already forgot listening and learning from God. Di ba po madami po tayong pagkakataon sa buhay na ito na tila napapatahimik tayo kapag biglang may kumausap at nagpaalala sa atin. Kung minsan we might even say these expressions, ay oo nga pala. Tama ka doon. After series of problems, after series of and times that we've been talking a lot, reklamo tayo ng reklamo, labas tayo ng labas ng sama ng loob. Then suddenly, in just a stroke of time, we will be reminded by someone, be corrected by someone, and then reduced to silence. Saying again, oo nga pala, tama ka doon. I mean not to belittle our capacity to open up and even to speak of and be honest with our problems and with our situations. But sometimes it is better for us to feel that God is putting His hand over our mouth, telling us, quiet ka lang muna. Ako muna magsasalita. Salita ka ng salita eh. Hindi mo naman alam anong gusto kong sabihin muna sa iyo. We might be talking a lot now. We might think we are always the right. Tayo ang bida sa buhay na ito. But lest we forget, we let God rule and speak to us. And when we let God speak, know that He leads you rightly and loves you dearly.